With the previous product from the same brand, so I decided to try this one again. Nice bag, reminds me of Sony Discman. Right. Bracket, the main unit. Wow, this is the battery compartment. Sure. This is 2,400 milliamps, 8.4 volts, nominal 7.2, lithium-ion battery. On/off button. Well, it's pretty bright. Let me turn off my light here. Wow. As you can see, their LCD display of the brightness level. I like the toggle. Not better than the button here. For this model, have to press the button here. It's much easier to adjust the brightness. And fine corals. Okay, fine adjustments. Mode. RGB color. Wow. Interesting. Cycles through all the colors. Turn the light back on. Turn off. There is also a charger included. Nice. Should fit this battery pack with the two leads here. I should be able to charge just like that. And this is a Canon camera battery. I do not have the Canon camera, but yeah, be pretty neat to have a battery packs interchangeable, so I can just keep buying more, and when this one is charging, I can just keep going, right? The adapter here, sweet, love it.